Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera distortion on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. If you want to fix this problem, click on camera app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so clean camera lens. After clean camera lens with the help of tissue paper, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. Click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on resets, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.